One of the heroes who witnessed Biafra war have come aside to speak his own part of the story and what actually happened. My people, no be smart, I know say most of us no know wetin the Chinese people do through the Tanzania people where they take help Biafrans during the war. Most of us do not know that Chinese secretly helped the Biafrans during the war, but unfortunately their help was not enough for us to push more. However, we are going to watch everything in this video, and not everybody will play the whole role where they pray for inside Biafra war. You will see the countries that fight against you. You will also see the countries that help you during the Nigeria Biafra war. However, let's jump inside this matter and find out how it take the happen. Welcome back to Balabas Gist, my people. If you're not the first time when they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here, they bring you updates no they finish for our table, no relenting. We still dey here. Okay, my people, I want to play you this video. No need to talk too much. You don't know what you're supposed to do. Share the video and follow and subscribe to this channel as it dey hot. We dey everywhere: TikTok, Instagram, so everywhere we dey there. Okay, my people, I'm going to play you this video of this our papa talk inside Biafra war. Wetin happen? May you still think wetin talk, or you get wetin you want talk put. No wahala, just watch the video. Watch the video first.
Shagawa. Nigeria Shagawa. Ole advice iginye ndị Igbo na mebasara ndị Hausa. Ole advice iginye ụmụ Igbo concerning ndị Hausa.
Onye chigani wonye sege, we shall kill the Igbos to the grassroots. Buhari akuchigani until you go 5 years. Onye hochere gechi chomara. Ahe biara agha baga na agwa no kwula ndị biara agha ebe si ya gbuo mo to the last man. I think because succeed. Ha plan ya ka baga na akpọ ha ọkụ. Onye doro anya hụ ozi amadu kekere Imo State ndị ahụ ya Mohammed awa the only person lara na agha dara baga na nka moto line 18 miles moto line na line oto ruo 18 miles ọ obere akpọrọ ha ọkụ otu naanị ma mmadụ ma anụ ejighị ma ilu ma otu ala Mohammed alodo bịa kpọgọwa na ya za ya so ndị amị na ngwongwo ha ga-adị ike la ya moto mba aja alụ agha o ji ekpọ ndị United Nations ụmụ bịata ihe ndị bandịrị ha jiri ike almost surrender. By then ọ bịa eje kpọ ndị United Nations Zik nwe Nigeria je kpọwa Zik ndị ihe o kwuru ya sawa ọgụ nwanne na nwanne anyị awụwa m Nigeria ma ya dị nwa gị ikienye akwadola ya onye isi agha Nigeria se tupu afụda Biafra ka afọ ya la ya sawa ule ya awụwa Nigeria ma ya dị nwa gị ike Nigeria ọnwụ na-achị onwe egbe ọ eji bịa na-achị anyị egbe ọwa ọgụ nwanne ajụọ ele ndị merikwen ya sị no victory no vanquish ọ ngwe okwu bekee nwa jụrụ ụfọdụ aka Zik ebe afọ ole gara aga ọ ga-ele monument elon jakọjachiracha so dowere ha otu ejebeela ụlọ akpa ndị iro ọ dịghị onye Awụsa nwere ike ichere gị onye Igbo echiche ọmara. Nevertheless, when you like women for the herdsmen, you know the meaning of herdsmen. On they be take over here. Make we almost be Panama. Grace, we be more bleach why you're be a wound over. When I say I was to maybe lose gun or shame. You don't know the plan this man is. But you know, now my military plan. Onye civilian chiwuni onye chiwuni no general ọchị akwa na ọchịchị nwa ọlụ awagha o mere ihe onye nwunye ọsụ unu gbara ọnụ nwụchi ya ego ọnwụ dubele n'ọkpụkpụ o were ya n'ọsọ ọnwụọ nga soludo so agbanwe ego ọ dị masụ akpọrọ ya ndị kidnapper ya resign ya ego ọnwụ chabele emona nga agaje 1000 at agranot Mana mgbe a bomb Tanzania. Sa nwatakịrị obodo ga-akpa 1,000 ji awụ granọt. Woman. Ọ dị otu ihe enwere ike inye ọdị otu ihe onye Awụsa ga-enye gị ihe ọmara. Iwe weghere ihe Ojukwu mgbe a kpọrọ anya from Ivory Coast ha nwade ọnwụnwa ya je fọm pati. Asị akwụkwara eme ihe parị ya. Asị onye wee sị ya fụọla na Naịjirịa ndịkwa ihe iko je fọm pati. Bịa dọwa echela akwụkwọ Naịjirịa nwa ahụ ịsa ga-afọọla. Ọ gwụla eme naanị wee rie mmadụ ịgbafu asị nrala gị.
So ndị advice gị nye ndị Igbo now?
Advice dị na-enye ndị Igbo. Inwe ndidi anyị enwewere ndidi enwe we must succeed. We must reach to the promised land. Ka ewu nkwa ekwere anyị ekwe. Emara na ndị anyị wụ ndị Hibru. Onye n'ụzara Igbo anyị wụ Hibru. One of the 12 tribes of Israel. I want to ime tribe ililabụ Israel nwere eme n'ebe ewu 11. One who came n'ebe la ma ibe anyị shiri dabara ebe. Ala ma shi from nowhere abịa na gbara nga anya all them of menongo town anọ naanị Owerri, Onitsha, Ogoja and Rivers. Ọ gwụchara onwere ndị ebe ọdọ Igbo na Naịjirịa nwa. Ala ebe anyị shiri bịa dabara ebe wụrụkwana ncheke ụmụ obodo niile sọrọ abụrụ ndị Igbo enwere mmeri. Ọ kara unu si you are my children. Chineke kwuru ihe. Unu wụ ụmụ m. Ọ dịghị ihe a na-eme anyị but anyị ga-enwe ndidi until we reach to the promised land.
For further explanation in English, my people say una don't hear him. He said that more than 50 or 200,000 Nigeria troop will enter inside Biafra territory. He say only one truck, and inside that one truck, now one person now come out, go back to Nigeria side. Go tell them say he no know the kind thing where these people they use. They fight for inside that particular war. No be smart, he say they see shaking. In fact, that the Biafra armies almost win the war before they go do mago what they do inside. Waiting this our papa they try tell us. However, I want to still show you this video. May you see the countries will play some roles where they play for inside the Biafra and Nigeria. Let's watch the video.
What if I told you that the Nigerian Civil War, also known as the Biafran War, was a proxy war between Britain, the Soviet Union, France, China, and the United States? Pay close attention as I tell you the role they each played. You won't want to miss the last part. Britain was the former colonial power of Nigeria and had strong ties with the Nigerian government. Britain also had a stake in the oil industry in the Niger Delta, which was the main source of revenue for Nigeria. Britain provided military and diplomatic support to Nigeria, hoping to preserve its unity and influence in the region. The Soviet Union was a rival of Britain and the West, and sought to expand its influence in Africa. The Soviet Union also saw Nigeria as a potential ally in the non-aligned movement, and a counterweight to China. The Soviet Union supplied Nigeria with weapons and aircraft, which gave it an edge over Biafra. France was a competitor of Britain and the West, and wanted to challenge their dominance in Africa. France also had economic interests in the oil-rich Biafra, and sympathized with its secessionist cause. France covertly provided Biafra with weapons, mercenaries, and technical assistance, hoping to weaken Nigeria and create a friendly state in the region. China was an ideological rival of the Soviet Union and supported Biafra as a way of opposing its influence in Africa. China also saw Biafra as a model of self-determination and anti-imperialism, and admired its resistance against Nigeria. China provided Biafra with some weapons, but mainly offered moral and diplomatic support. The United States declared neutrality in the war, but secretly supported Nigeria, as it had significant investments in the oil sector and wanted to maintain stability in the region. The United States also feared that a Biafran victory would encourage other secessionist movements in Africa and undermine the territorial integrity of newly independent states. Lastly, the role of other African countries in the Nigerian Civil War was mostly supportive of the Nigerian government. as they wanted to uphold the principle of territorial integrity and prevent the fragmentation of the continent. The majority of the Organization of African Unity supported maintaining the status quo in Nigeria, a decision which was then replicated in the United Nations. However, some African countries such as Tanzania, Zambia, Gabon, Ivory Coast, and Ghana recognized Biafra as an independent state and provided diplomatic and humanitarian assistance to the secessionists. These countries were motivated by various factors, such as ethnic solidarity, anti-imperialism, regional rivalry, or personal sympathy. The role of other African countries in the Nigerian Civil War was therefore complex and diverse and reflected the different perspectives and interests of the continent. The Nigerian Civil War was not just a war between Nigerian brothers and sisters who fought for different visions of their nation, but also a proxy war between foreign powers for their interests.
My wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, you know, say history now one thing we do something, and even Nigeria side, the history says most of them no know anything. The Biafra side, most of them no still know anything. So thank God for smartphone, and thank God for your internet and everything. So you need to do more research and learn, because most of all those things are documented inside some website where we say if you see those kind of information and may you know wetin happen. Because the greatest thing wey Biafra people go fit do na to study the reason why they could not have that country of their dream. So if they finish studying this thing, then the strategy they will come out with will give them what they want. For Nigeria side, also to learn the reason why it's not necessary to go to war, because if Biafra definitely become independent, Nigeria will pay for more than 4 to 5 million people they buy for inside that war. That one na wetin dey certain, and na wetin Nigeria no want at all. So if Nigeria say they will not pay, definitely there must be some kind problem tomorrow wey go dey happen between the Biafrans and any maybe if na Hausa remain as Nigeria or na Yorubas remain as Nigeria. Problem no go finish, because Biafra go must remind them that you come and buy our people. So by that time, it will just be like the way Israel and Gaza and Palestine just be now, the way Israel be. So that is one thing where Nigeria no want, and definitely. But if Nigeria come to realize that we have done a mistake, okay, what do you actually want? You want your peace with dialogue. Okay, go. Maybe Biafra people may find it a way to forgive and forget. A peaceful dialogue. But if they keep doing it this way, eventually Biafra manage to get their independence. It no go dey easy. It no go dey easy. However, my people, I don't talk the side where I know, still talk the side way you know for inside comment section, and share the video for more updates.